The blue-faced honeyeater Antimizon cyanidus, also colloquially known as the banana bird, is a passerine bird of the honeyeater family, Meliphagidae. It is the only member of its genus, and it is most closely related to honeyeaters of the genus Molothreptus. 3 subspecies are recognized at around 29.5 centimeters, 11.6 in length. The blue-faced species is large for a honeyeater. Its plumage is distinctive with olive upper part, white underparts, and a black head and throat with white nape and cheeks. Males and females are similar in external appearance. Adults have a blue area of bare skin on each side of the face, readily distinguishing them from juveniles, which have yellow or green patches of bare skin. A large honeyeater, ranging from 26 to 32 centimeters, 10 to 12.5 in, and averaging 29.5 centimeters, 11.6 in length. The adult blue-faced honeyeater has a wingspan of 44 cm, 17.5 in, and weighs around 105 grams, 3.7 ounces. In general shape, it has broad wings with rounded tips and a medium, squarish tail. The sturdy, slightly down-curved bill is shorter than the skull and measures 3 to 3.5 centimeters, 1.2 to 1.4 in length. It is easily recognized by the bare blue skin around its eyes, the head and throat, or otherwise predominantly blackish, with a white stripe around the nape and another from the cheek. The upper parts, including mantle, back, and wings, are a golden olive color, and the margins of the primary and secondary covers a darker olive brown, while the underparts are white. Juveniles that have just fledged have gray head, chin, and central parts of their breasts, with brown upper parts and otherwise white underparts. After their necks mold, they more closely resemble adults and have similar plumage, but are distinguished by their facial patches. The bare facial skin of birds just fledged as yellow, sometimes with a small patch of blue in front of the eyes, while the skin of birds 6 months and older has usually become more greenish and turns darker blue beneath the eye, before assuming the adult blue facial patch by around 16 months of age.